Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, today, I'm going to tell you how we're going to use HighLevel to get clients. It sounds crazy, but they've got a really good tool which gives you like a report, like breaks everything down that you need in one place, in HighLevel, and I think you should know about it 100%. Okay, I'm in the example sub account, and so what we're going to do is go to agency view. So let's switch. So click top left, let's switch to agency view. And now you want to go to prospecting on the left right here, okay? So what this prospecting tool essentially does is that you can search a local business or virtual business now they've added, and essentially get a whole report on them. So I'm doing it with you live now. So let's add a report, add a prospect, sorry. Let's type in hair salon. Before that, let me change my VPN so you guys can't see where I live. So I've got hair salon. I put a VPN on just so you don't see businesses near me literally. So let's just go for, you can scroll through, look for anyone that you want to audit on. Let's go for this one. Now what we can do, here's the salon. We can literally come here and press save prospect, and it will say here report generation in progress, please check after some time. So I've done this off camera, I've let it do its thing on this one over here. So what you can do, once it's done, the prospect has been generated right here, report has been generated for prospect, we can press show report. So this is all. So what you can do is inside of the agency view is you can flick through as many hair salons as you want, find the ones you want to report for, and it does it for you, which is really good. So then the benefit of this is first you can export it as a PDF. So you've got this report now when you're outreaching to clients or want to show them what they're doing bad, what you can do is press share report, copy the link, and look at this. I've done nothing. In 2 clicks, has my name, my email right there, and it has all the report things here for the business. So they think, okay, this guy's a professional, he's just done all this. It literally tells you everything, like text enabled business number is not there, the percentage, techno stack analysis not there, listing is a bad listing, no match on Yelp, Bing, all these other search engines, etc. Online reputation, this one's pretty good. Same day, 74 positive reviews. This is a good one, but you want to find a bad one, then go for them. And here's the PDF that comes out of it. So LMX, contact there, has their name, marketing audited report. It's crazy what HighLevel have done with this. Honestly, it's so crazy. You've got a 14-page report, and if you send this to a company and say, okay, hear all the bad things about the company, it's specific to their business, you look like a genius. And then combine that with all the things that HighLevel do to compensate for these deficiencies, you'll smash it essentially. For example, this SEO is terrible, 5%, which you can go on with that, the website, so you can make it in HighLevel. Tell them you can make it in HighLevel. If their customer reply time is terrible, then you can say to them AI blah blah blah, etc. That's how you want to do it. And you can look how quick I did that live. You can do that for 50 to 100 people in a day. Send them out professionally, got their name right there, contact, your company name, your logo, everything's there, and just reach out to leads as fast as you can. You can even print this out and give them to them in hand, in person, show them this is what your company needs to do. By the way, if you want the best playlist on how to use HighLevel, how to get started, go on my YouTube channel and go to my playlist section. It's all there, numbered 1 to 11, from getting started to AI to automations to the mobile app. And if you want to get started, or if you already have started and you want a better mentor affiliate, because your one sucks, if you use a link in the description, you get 30-day free trial with HighLevel, and all these benefits here. Let me know once you sign up so I don't get notified. I'll send you via email all the benefits, one-on-one meetings with me, my sales scripts, my white label presentation that you can go with clients. You can show your clients if you do it do a Zoom call, onboarding call, 30-day free trial, link in description. That's a pretty overpowered way to find clients with HighLevel, generate report and send it to them within minutes. Super crazy, super underrated, not many people know about it. So everyone watching this video, please like the video, because now you know about it. Help me out, please subscribe. And yeah, it's currently, I can't even show you the time, 11:54 in the night. Okay, so this is what you call dedication. Please like the video, helps me out. And yeah, thank you.